Hi friends, this is an MK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Forex Surfers for analyzing the currency pairs as well as US 13, Bitcoin, gold, silver, crude. So before we get into this week analysis through Elliott waves, this is my disclaimer. Read carefully each and every line, and I'm not asking any investments, so be cautious and beware of the fraudsters. I'm not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plans, explaining here. So this is our watch list, regularly what we are doing. So starts from DXY. So in DXY, I need to explain the price action also. It's not only that count. We need that count also help us to change and don't stick to our own count. See, this is A, B, C, the perfect correction and then again fall. Here also A, B and C, the perfect correction is got ended here and the 5-way structures started. So in my previous analysis, I said from here it's a 3-way structures, and after that one more 3-way structure has to happen, and then again it has to be in bullish. So either this could be a diagonal formation also, because I took this as an expanding triangle from this A, B, C, D, E. So I took it as a C wave to break the high of 103.82. That is my bias. But still now it has to break that 103.82. That is damn sure. But what it is going on here? First of all, if it isn't expanded, from here it has to bounce. After that also, what I thought is, after that this decline, I thought okay, it could be an extended also. So in that case, this is the A, B, C, D and E. So this is an extended case, so it has to break that high. But again, it is still, I'm not sure because Australian dollar helps me to change my all the count. Because if it is Australian dollar, it's also broken that 88, 7825. So still it is in bullish, and it has to reach what I said the previous also. If it break that 7825, it has to reach 8 or 81 also, right? In that case, the New Zealand dollar also has to break, and that only helps me to recheck my analysis. So here I did some mistake, and again I reanalyzed this pair nearly from yesterday evening to midnight. I recheck everything and I got on conclusion. So in previous, so first I will explain the DXY. This stream will be a little bit took more time. So if you need to understand, you need to watch at each every pair, because this is an positional reverse and trend expecting for the bullish, but still it is not happening means. So I need to recheck everything, right? So in previous I thought this is an W, this is an X, A, B and C is ended here, and I took it this as an running expanded flat. So in that case this is a, so B, and if it breaks this, that is got invalid, and after that I need to recheck everything, but still it is not broke this low. But even though from this price action I got on conclusion, so now it may break this low also. So it has to reach that 87.2. So how I change my price action according to the price action, the count is a conclusion. This is an ABC is a ABC is a B and C. So this is the flat correction and this is a continuation for the bullish trend. So this is a W followed by the X, and I took it this as a, B and C. That is my mistake here I did. Now the A wave contains a 5-way structure. So this is a 1 2 3 4 5 is got ended. So that is W X A got finished, and we are in that B wave. So in that B wave also, this is an A, B and C. So whatever you can make it this as a or W or a B or X. So how I got the conclusion here in my previous, from here, if it reached here in one or two posters and one or two shares, I already said this could be an X also, and it may break this low, otherwise it could make a triangle also. So I rechecked my analysis in the previous also. So I forced the chart in past 1 or 2 months. From here I forced the chart. If it get invalid, I no need to do that. I think it hasn't extended this wave. So I need to be aware in the previous itself. So now I got a conclusion here. This is an A, the 5-way structure, it ended here A, B and C is an ending diagonal formation. So this A, B, C is a W. So it's a zigzag. After that, here is an X is an expanded flat, and Y is already got ended here. So in that case, this is an ABC. So whatever you can make it this as a 5-way structure, or it could be, for me it's looking like, for me I took it this as ABC as a ABC as a B and C. So or ABC is a W, X, A, B and C. So here if we make it this as a W or A, or if we can make it as a also or W also, here is an X or B. After that, here if it is an A and if it is a B, we need a 5-way structure, and this is looks like a triangle here. So here also in that 1 hour chart, here this is a here, and B is a triangle. A, B, C, D, E is a triangle here. B is a triangle. After that, followed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here A, B, C. In past, I did this as a B, C as a W. So that is one mistake. And here A, B, and after that, I make it this as a W, X, A, B and C. So we no need to end, and what I said is if it is an Z way is continued to the downside, so this could be an Y, X and Z. But as of now, this is an expanding triangle, means it don't want to break that previous low, this one here. So now it seems like it may break this low. So in that case here, now how it will be, right? So we can make it this as a ABC as a it's a flat correction, and B is also, C contains a 5-way structure, and it could be, see I didn't change anything because I need to show you how we need to change the labeling. That is so important. Don't stick to my count also. See, I am also doing lot of mistakes. I'm just sharing my this kind of streams, and my sharing my view is everything to learn each other. That is my ambition. See what I'm thinking, I just sharing, it will refine and retune myself, and you can also learn lot of things. So after that, this is ABC is A, ABC is a B, C contains a 5-way structure. So it could be extended also, right? The 5-way structure. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is got ended. So this is the A, not A. This is because A, B, C is A, B and C. So this is the end of the one flat correction. So again the continuation. This is an X. So now this is a A. So this is the B. Still we are in the B wave. Or it could end it, or it could make a triangle, whatever it can do. So after that B, so we need one more this kind of wave formation. It has to happen in the downside, and here also it is not closing above that, and again it get rejected. It's closed above the trend line and it's get rejected, and now it is in the inside that, and it retesting the trend line here. So we have to keep changing our wave count according to the price action. It's a purely chess game. That is only one I know, and I'm just um, telling to everybody, don't stick to your wave count, and don't stick to my wave count also. So now I'm just changing my wave count, right? Even though I'm having the positions, but even I having the positions, I'm looking only for the bullish, but I'm not going to force the chart now. What I having here, I need to explain. This is a ABC is a correction, like this kind. It's a ABC. So now again there is a ABC has to continue. So this is my view. So from here, and I will explain once again in the weekly chart. So this is a W, X, A completion of the 5A structure, and we need to B. So it could be, see, this is could be A also or W also. If it breaks this, that could be the end of the trend here, and it is in that channel. After that, I'm expecting it has to break this high, 103.82. But before, if it didn't break this low, and if it is again bounced without breaking this low, so that is also a valid. So in that case, it could be a triangle also. So here A or W, so B or X could be a triangle, and again one more way to the downside is also possible. Or if it is in B is a triangle, in this, that bigger B is a triangle, it has to shoot from here. If it breaks this low, that could be an regular flat correction for that B wave. So once the B wave is ended, here we need to see the C wave, like this kind of 5-way structure to the upper side. So that is my bias as of now. And same thing, we need to change the Euro USD here also. One, see, this is a B, C, A, B. See, it could be a mix, whatever we can do it. This is A, B, C, and this is a W, and we took it as in this as a expanded flat in previous, because it's already broken the low. After that, I'm expecting the W. So that is why I have marked this as a red color W. Otherwise, I would place the X here, and I'm looking only for the downside, right? But now I have already placed the red color W. You know very well about that. It could extend also. So in that case, this is a ABC is A, ABC is a B, and C. So this could be in a W. So this could be an X. Right? And followed by, we can make it this as a blue. So if it didn't break, if it is not a triangle, right? So this is also invalid count. So A, B, C is a, and again B and C. So this is a W, X, 1, 2, 3. So this could be a here. Here the one wave 1 ended here means this is the wave 4. 1 2 3 4 5. So this is a triangle. From here, this is a 1 2 3 1. We will do it fast. 2 3 4 is a triangle, and fifth way is a wedge formation. Look at this: 1 2 3 4 and 5. So 1 2 3 4 and 5. So this is an end of that A wave. So this A wave, how the Euro USD 1 2 3 4 5 is a A. Now we are in the B wave. So same thing, we need to change here. We can make it this as an red color A. This is a red color A, the 5-way structure. This is the B. So here we need to change this as a B wave. Sorry, this as a B wave, and a C, right? So C contains of 5-way structure. So if we do that, sorry, here AB is a triangle. So AB, see, because here we make it this as a B means here it's a, right? What we did as a. So B. So C is a diagonal formation, or it could be a, again we need to take it this as a W, right? So if we make it this as a W and this as X, so if we make it this as a W, so we need again to change here as a, here it could be a again W, X, A, B and C. Like that we have to do, but these are all forcing our chart. So let's see what it is doing here. It's a perfect 5-way structure, and here is a B, but C here it's a, once again I will show you in the 4-hour chart. So this could be a 1, so this could be a 2, again 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 2 3 4. So this it couldn't be a triangle. So here we need to change our count. So this could be a 1, bigger one, we can make it as a bigger one. So this is a bigger 2. So here it could be a another 1 2. So here is the end of the third, here is the end of the fourth. So here is the end of the third, right? So after the fourth, see, don't make because I did as a, this is a double bracketed, this is a closing bracket of Roman letter 1, and this is a single bracket of wave 1, 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 2 3 4, and this is the 5. So after this 1 2, so beyond the third, so still one more wave for that fourth wave what we are doing. So it could be here, it may be a end of the fourth wave, or it is still ahead in the formation of triangle. So how I explain in the DXY. So it could be this is the end of the third, so still one more wave after the fourth wave. Here one simple correction has ended. So what I said, it's the previous I did as a this as a triangle perfectly. It's now, so now this is a, so this is the B, and C is got over. So one simple correction got over. So it may do what will be the next week. So here also it looks like a three-way structure. So whether this could be another A, sorry, one second, this could be an A, so we make it as a blue also. So this could be a B also, and that see where 1 2 3 4 5 is done. So it could make another three-way structure. After that it can shoot whether if it is making a high, or it can decline from here another three-way structure to break this low for the fourth wave. So fourth wave usually the retracement will be from here for the third end of the third wave. So it could be 23.6 if it is extended. So it did the 23.6. So if it is 38.2 maximum, it won't, but it may also. So stick to that whether it is going to make a bigger flat correction, because it's a zigzag correction. After that again one more wave to the upper side is also possible, or it could make a it could make a from here. After that it could make a decline in a three-way structure. So that could be a possible for that running triangle. It may break or may not. So from here also it could make a triangle. It could make a triangle for the fourth wave, and one more fifth wave is also ahead. Otherwise it could make a running flat, like running flat or running triangle. So if it is making a running flat, means it has to again shoot from here. So if it did like this, we didn't know whether it is making a triangle, running triangle, or it is going to make a running flat correction, and this is the end of the fourth, or it could be end of the fourth here as a triangle. So as I said in the crude, so like that I'm expecting. So this is my view in. So here we need to change. Don't look for this expanding triangle. It's a very force the chart. Sorry for that. I'm also a trader, so I'm not moving the market, you know very well. So I'm also still learning, right? So don't force the chart. What you are seeing, just label that. That's it. So now it is an A, B, C, W, X, Y is called completed. So A, B, and we are in that C wave. To end that, after it has to break the high, this one. So once it got ended, so this is the A, so B and C has to come downside. That is sure. Or what it will do, the whole thing, you see, W, X, this is the A. It could make a complex correction also, and then it can come down also. This A, B, C means it's a W, and again it could be a W, X, A, B, C. Again there is a lot of chances for making 1.37 if it is extended. What I'm trying to say is, if it already did a correction of A, B, and we are expecting that C wave to the downside, it could make a again complex correction. So this could be a W, X, again A, B and C. After that again it can come down. So don't stick to the same analysis. What I'm trying to say, it can do anything, a lot of possibilities and probabilities is there. So as of now, after that 5 ways completed, I'm expecting a down 3-way structure. So once the ABC is got over, I'm expecting to the downside. So this is my view in Euro USD. Next we will move on to GBP USD. So that is also the same pattern. Here also I need to explain. So it could be a A also. So this could be a B also. So C is a 1. So it could be 2, 3, 4, 5. So anything we can make it as a 3, 4, 5. So A, B, C. So here it is a W is got over, and after that this, if it is a W and this is the X, sorry, where is that? Okay, if this is the X, this is the end of the X, ABC is got already over, so in the formation of WXY ABC, so that Y way is also got over, it's already broken the low. But what I'm thinking here is in the Euro USD also it's going to come to the downside after the 5-way structure, just I'm expecting. So after ABC, this it won't be a little bit small of a WX, it could be a complex correction. That is why I'm expecting it could be again that red color W, and this is the red color X. So A, B, C is and Y way is going to happen. So whether if it is going to break the high of 1.43, or it is maybe if it breaks the high, that is an expanded flat. If it didn't break the high, this could be a running flat, and again I'm expecting a downfall. So anyway it has to, my bias is same, it has to break this low, because if it is a ABC, this much bigger ABC correction, it has to do at least, say for example from here to here, it is only the 23.6, and I need at least 50% retracement, or at least 38.2. So what it, my bias is it has to break that low, one more low previous it made on the corona time. So that W here, from here it has to, it no need to break this low. So we are in that irregular flat formation for the X. So whether that could be a running flat or it could be a expanded flat. So if it did the expanded flat, so this is my zone for that expanded flat target, right? Or if it is a running flat, this is the target. So this is my view, and if you switch over to zoom in, as I said in the previous also, this is making a, it will do like this, and there is no sell trade, I didn't found anything here, and no need to sell this pair. So A, B, C, again this is a W, X, and we are in that A wave to end. So 1, 2, 3, A, B, C is the, this is the 4 or this is the 4, right? I said okay, this we make it this as a 4 because A, B, C is a 3. Again this, if we make it this as a B and C, means it has to come to the downside, right? So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we already did A, B, and I'm expecting that C wave. So here is one thing, 1 second, A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So we need to change this as a third. This is not a A, this is not a B. So the 4 is a simple one here. So this could be a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 1 is completed. So A is completed here. So A is completed. A is completed in the diagonal formation, and I am expecting a B wave, a fall. It could be a 38.2 retracement, or it could be a 50% retracement for this wave, right? So 38.22 retracement, it comes near by this trend line. So it may took a support. So again we can see that for the B wave, if it didn't make a triangle, so we can see that 3.5. After that, end of the B wave, that C wave has to shoot again. Once again, yeah, C wave, the target is the A wavelength of 786, exactly at 4.6. So that could be an expanded flat we are expecting. So this could be a W. So this is the X. So we are in that. Now I'm expecting the B wave. So in that 4 hour also, perfect. I think so. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is got completed. Let's see in the 15-minute chart. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we are expecting the B wave. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, again 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yeah, perfect. So once for the confirmation, once it break this channel trend line, this, yeah, we can make it this as a channel trend line. What it will do is, it will do like this, and then again it may so looking for this break zone, so nearly 1.39. so I'm expecting the target of 1.35. 1.35, yeah, that is 1.35. so that is also a major support zone at 1.35. yes, perfect, right? This zone here also a lot of spikes near to that, and it accepting this support zone. So after that it will took the support, and this trend line is also coming, so it may took as a support, and again we may see this, it has to again break this. Let's see how it moves. So Australian dollar also, it already broken the high, right? So in this also, so AB, here AB, or it could, we can make it this as a 1, 2, so 3, 4, and 5. so this could be a 5-way structure, A, B, and we are in that C wave also. Here why I'm not going to that a 5-way structure means, this is not looking like a 5-way structure. That is why, see, because 1, 2, 3, and again the connection 1, 2, 3. So this A, B, C as a W here, X, again A, B, and C, it suits very well. So if it is anything else, because I took it this as a, for this also, here A, B, C is A, B, C is a B, C 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a W. After that X. See, for this A, B, C bigger flat, we need at least a 50%, right? So here we didn't get anything and it is in selling pressure. So at least we need to get here, but it already declined from here and it broke the low. So at that time itself, I'm keep on watching this and keep on saying it has to, if it breaks this low also, again it has to bounce, and it did as an irregular flat. So I took it this as an irregular flat formation only. So this ABC here is the end of the trend. One simple correction is got over, and here it's I took it this as an irregular flat, or it could be an expanded, or it could be a running flat, and again one more wave to break this low. So that is my bias. So we need to move for that wave. Now it's already broken the wave A at 0.7825. So now we can make it this as a Y, and this is the X. So don't look for this kind of works here what I had placed, because I didn't done and I didn't get ready for that to share my view. And it got a previous one more view also, but I'm not so satisfied with that, because I took it this as A, B, C as a 1, A, B, C as a 2. So the whole thing becomes A, B, C as a third, and A, B, C is a fourth. So it could be A, B, and C, one more fifth way is also be there. So that is also a valid count. So let's see. And one more is what I said here. If W, X, A, B, and C, so this is the end of the Y. This is the X. So one more A, B, C has to going for the upper side. So in that case, whether it is A, B, C in the diagonal wave formation, or it could be Y, X, A, B, C. So in that A, B, C, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So whether this is the A and we are in the triangle B, C started already. After that, it could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is going to make a 8, 1 from here, or sometimes it looks like the fourth way is a triangle, because here it could be a ABC1, ABC2 like that of a diagonal formation. So this could be the end of A. So this could be a third. So this could be a fourth, and the channel is also accepting here the perfect channel from 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 means we may see little bit consolidation for that B wave. So once the B waves get completed, and again one more C wave for that zone of 8, 1 here, and after that I'm expecting that Z wave is also completed, and this is an, for me I took it this as a X wave. It's the W and this is the X. So again A, B, C, the Y wave has to break this a low of 5, 5. So this is my view, and same thing the New Zealand dollar also, it already, and exactly what I said is here the triangle could be X. Here is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it could be a leading diagonal also. In the previous stream I said like that. Exactly, it did the same thing. So this could be a 1, 2, or A, B, and see, because it's already going high. So whether this could be a 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 like that, it could be happen like that also. One more high. So 1, 2, so 3, and after that 4 and again one more 5. So the whole thing becomes a A also. So mind that there's a lot of options is here, A, and then it could be a B, after that the C, or this is the A wave. So we are in the B wave, it's already ended here. So we already started that C wave, means it can be 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. So here it could be the end of that 1, after that 2 3 4 5. So like this it can happen in that C wave. See, here also it did the same, A, B and C. So like that, here it's A, B is completed, C could be 5-way structure. So 1 2 and then again 3 can shoot after the 4 and 5. So it could reach that 7 5 also. So what is that 7 5 zone means? It's already the previous resistant zone here, that 7 5 zone. So again it is going to break or near to that, it has to reach that. So after that, here it's a B, C. So this could be a W and the bigger X, and again A, B, C to break the low. So while if it reached that 7 5 or 7 6 near to that, I'm expecting a 3-way structure to break that low. At the time DXY has to show. So let's see that UCAD, UCHEF. So I will try to make a one, what I said, the previous historic view. I already shared that view. So like that I will do one new view of historical chart if I have a time, and I will share that, and you will get for that historical view. I will again recheck everything by single each wave, and then again I will share my view video for the historical view. So here also that same, but this doesn't change anything. So W, this is a X, but it changed that here the view again. So W, A, B, C is a W, X, A, B and C. See here I already explained here, this is not that structure. It could be the, because previous I, this is the A, B and C. If it is a diagonal triangle, I said, one second please, sorry, some urgent call was in a hold. So in previous, yeah, so here it's a C wave. In previous I was thought this is a W, X, A, B, C. After that here I did as a Y wave, X, and this could be a diagonal wave in that ending, but it has to bounce from here, and it is not going to this much because here also it's did a 5-way structure. So in this 5-way structure only shows me. So again we need to change the count. Here it is in a diagonal pattern of A, B, C as a W. So this is a connecting wave of A, B and C. So here also C is a ending diagonal pattern 1 2 3 4 and 5. After that here is the end of that Y wave. So and I have already did in one video of the trend line and channel. You just go through that, and I have already uploaded that part 10. The wedge will be again make as a next wedge formation, and again it could be a channel also. See perfectly that same trend line, you just copy and paste, it is in the channel now. So what we think is it is an wedge formation and is going to bounce. what happened here again? So that is why I'm not keeping any stop loss for this, because the pattern keep on changing. See, this is what we did is an ending diagonal that is perfect, but that is in the Y wave. What we thought, from here it has to bounce for that bullish scenario, so it has to again 1.38. But what did happen again? So still there is a bearish, and this price action, it is an overlapping and messy kind of thing. So here I just come to a conclusion. So this is the Y is ended here. After that it's a A. So A, B, C as a B. Here also C, D, and E is ended here. So after that there is a perfect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a A. So we are in that B wave. So B, it's already broken the wave A. So that could be an expanded, sorry, it could be a running flat, or if it breaks and again it may fall below the inside this channel, is could be an expanded flat. That is also valid. So now I am expecting A, B, and C. So it could reach up to 1.4, 1.2450 or 20, and this is an perfectly it's doing here. So this trend line, so I'm expecting here it has to bounce at 1.25 or 1.2450 or 1.2480 within that zone. So that could be the end of that Z wave. So now this is the real perfect channel, right? This is a wedge formation. Here it's a channel. So this is my view. After this I'm expecting a bullish. So whether it is going to, one thing is, this is the ABC is a W and this is the X wave. So the whole thing becomes a Y. Y means it has to break this a low. But what I'm thinking here is it could be a triangle. Here the bigger triangle, if it didn't break the low. If it breaks the low, so that is an perfect flat corrections got over below that. But I think it won't do like that much. It can go up to 1.25 for this zone here, and it has to bounce, I think so, because the previous, the 1.25 zone is a perfect support and bounced. So let's see. I'm expecting this one, and it won't break this low because it's already did the same thing here. So it couldn't break this low. So let's see, right? So from here I'm expecting a bounce. So this week for that expanded, sorry, it's a irregular flat correction. I'm expecting again after this kind of wave formation, one more wave to the downside is also possible. So next we will move on to that USD Chef. So USD Chef also the same. I said if this 5 wave is the A, this is the B. B may see one more down, and then again it has to show. It is going to happen. So in this way, so what I have to do here also, A, B, C as a W. I took it this as a 1. So it could be 1, or we can make it as a ABC as a W, X, ABC. So this could be Y, X, ABC, Z. So here it is the end of this Y. Again, this is the X wave. So A, B, C. So that is a Z wave. So we need to make it this as a Y wave ended here. So don't look for this 1, 2. So we can make it this, but you don't need to confuse this, because that is why I have to. A lot of people asking the same thing. What is kind of ABC is a 1, ABC is a 2? It could be a diagonal, right? So we can make it, if you make it this as a W. For example, I'm just keep on saying this X. So this could be an ABC. So here we have to make it as a Y. and again this is the x as a triangle ABC. So after that y, x, z means one set of correction the 5-wave corrective pattern is going to end, means that is here we mark this as x in that daily chart. This is a W X, so Y is ended here. After, if it is a Y is ended and it is also below that W, so it has to shoot from here. But still means this is also a 5-wave corrective pattern. So in that case, so this is the end of that Y and one more X, that is for that Z wave continuation. Here is the X. So A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is, it's completely A wave. So we are in that B wave. It's already did. So 1, and we need one more wave here. We just go through that 4-hour chart. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what here we can see is again like this. After that, the bigger fall for the third wave and fourth and fifth. So it has to happen like this. But in sometimes what it will do, we are expecting here, what it will do is it can break this low. After that it can bounce for second wave. It could be a small also, and the third, fourth, and continue like this in the fourth wave, right? Here ABC, ABC, and here it already broke the low and it didn't break the high. So this is A. So A, B, and C. So this A, it's already broken the low. So it is an irregular flat formation. Like that, here also it can go below this A. After that, it could be a running flat, or it could be expanded flat. After that, it has to fall for the third wave. So while you are expecting here to short, if it breaks the low, after the bounce you need to short here. Don't expect that expanded flat. So this is my view. So A, B, and 5-way structure to the downside to 8650 is there. It's a nearly 300 pips from here. So let's move on to the USD JPY. So in USD JPY there is no change. It is still there, but here it didn't something around low, high is 104.39. Here the low is 104.40, 104.397. So just missed by the 0.03, but this could be a 4, so 3, 4, and 5. So this could be a leading diagonal. This could be a leading diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we make it this as a 1. So we are expecting a second wave. What I said, it could be a deeper, or it could be an here, 1 second. Yeah, what I expected here is 1, 2, and bigger 1, 2. Here I expected that, and after that it don't want to come to this zone. It has to shoot from here itself if it is a bigger 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a 1, and it could be a deeper correction. So it will be do like this because that USD is a more weakness, and JPY is also more weakness. So it will do like this. This kind of price action it can do. It's a very messy and overlap. But once that second wave is got finished, it has to show. So that's just wait for that, and there is no alternative idea for this here. So whether it's a or X here, what I said, or this could be a B. So I'm expecting the C wave to break that high of 112. So that is my view for this USD JPY. And let's move on to what will be the next is UCAT finished, UCHF finished, UJF is finished. So next we will move on to that Australian JPY. See, this is an what I said, no, it's a X here, Y, X, so A, B, C. So this could be a again B, and then again C. It can shoot like that. So W, X, Y, X, A, B, and C. So once it comes to that B, and again it can shoot for that C wave. Yeah. So here it's a WX, YX. This is a of a red. So B of red. So we are expecting that C wave. So it's okay. Yeah. So we are here now. So it can go through this zone. So 85. So my previous target was 85. So it may achieve. So later onwards we have to watch that, because here it's A, B, C as a W. This is the X, and we are in the Y wave in the WXY formation. So this Y wave is also in that WXY formation. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So see, in bigger wave it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But in the bigger, so in that smaller time frame, it's all overlapping, right? So ABC A, ABC B, and C. It's a W, X. It's everything. It is in the A, B, C, all three wave. That is why I'm. If you are watching in that daily time frame, it's very too good to understand that. So another A, B, and C I'm expecting. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. After that, it could be another three-way structure. After that, again one more three-way structure for, because this could be, if it is the end of the Y wave, X wave, ABC for the Z wave to continue. So let's move on to that CAD JPY. So JPY is very slow, very weak. That is why all the pairs of JPY shooting. So from here I said this is a W, X, A, B, and sometimes I thought this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this could be a triangle also here. This could be a triangle previous. So this could be an X. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this could be a B, C, like that. But now it seems like after this, so whether this is going to be because see, I'm not sure about this wave structure here. So in that 4-hour chart, if we watch this, here it's a shortfall. In that only it will see like this. So this is a W, WXY. So this is this intermediate W, this is the intermediate X, this is the intermediate Y. So this is a W and this is a X. So now A, B, and C, what it will do is, C means 5 ways needed, but it is not looking like that. So this could be 1, 2. So third wave, it's looking like here, it's also looking like 5 waves, here also looking like 5 waves, here also it's looking like a 5 waves. So 1, 2, so 3 is ended here. So 4 is somewhat what I'm trying to say is, 4 is ended here, and here also 1, 3, and 5. So This is an easy way of how I am analyzing the pair. You just choose the 5 ways. You can get to a conclusion. So 1, 2, right? So neglect this. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the end of the third. This is the fourth, and fifth way is also getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it could be, what I'm trying to say is, it could be intermediate way, one more way to the downside, and after that one more way. It's also possible, because here in the fifth way, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it could be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you just listen everything. Each single piece will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So once again, yeah, this is a 1, 2, 3. After that three-way structure, it could be 5 ways also. So 1, 2, third is extended, fourth is dead, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is going to end. So in that category, so A is, it could be the end of the A, and B wave has to come to the decline, the three-way structure. After that it has to shoot again. So this is a W, X, A finished here. After the B and C has to shoot, or else if it is a, this is the B, C is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 also can go from here. If it didn't get a bigger correction to reach here, if it sustained here itself, noted this could be a end of the A, this could be the end of the B. So C wave is 1, 2, this is the 3, 4, and 5. So that could be end of that trend here. So W, X, Y is got ended, and again if it is a X wave, and again it can continue for the Z wave also. So either the A is finished here or it's going to end here, but that target remains same. One more high is also possible, whether it is going from here itself or it is going to be a deeper correction for the B wave, and then again it can shoot for that 86 also. So the 86 is the target for this analysis in coming days, right? So this is 86, 85 to 86. Yes, perfect. The previous resistance zone. So we will move on to that New Zealand cat. It's very messy, but the target remains same. The 9.4 is the target. Whether we are going here, it's a B, C is a W, X, A, or as I said, if we make it this as a W, this is an A, B, and C. This could be a W, X, A, B, and C. So this could be a Y wave. So this is a. So we are in that overlapping, and it could like do like this, and it can go. Or if it, because here it did a, in 1 hour chart, it did a 5-way structure here. So after that it's a too messy. So whether as of now, this is the X. So A is completed, B in the running flat, and C we are going to make a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. It can go. So 1, 2. So like this it can be a 5-way structure, 3, 4, and 5. So it can reach up to 9, 5 also. I think you can catch my view. 1 second, I will explain again. So whether this is a, so B is in running flat, C it's already did the 5-way structure. It is already the 5-way. 1 second, I will remove this red lines. It's very too flashy. Yes. So again, so whether, see, I'm not sure about here, but it seems like it's already did a correction here. So whether this is A, so B, C, so W, X, A, B, C. So this could be the end of that second wave. So third wave it started. Think so? So you can make it stop loss of this. Otherwise, if it breaks the high, if it breaks this high, if it goes like this, make a stop loss of this as a stop loss nearly 9.1, and if it is a 9.2 means 140 pips. But for the target, if you enter here, 9.2, so nearly that 9.5, right? 300 pips for the 150 pips. It's a 1:2 risk reward you can get. So once it is confirmed, you can just trial the stop loss. That only we have to do. But what we are doing the analysis here, and Monday it will completely, it will changed. And what we are doing expecting here, it is going to the third wave, and suddenly it may fall like this, and then again it will took off. So again we need to change this. That is why I have keep on saying this. If it breaks the high, make the stop loss of this, and then you can continue for that bullish trend. So that is my view. So let's what we will see is the Euro New Zealand. That is the same thing what I expected. It will keep raining because it's keep going on to the downside. We will keep changing the count, and it will be going to the downside only. So what I said previous, it's ABC is a W, X, the whole thing becomes A, B, C is a 1, 2, 3, and we are in that fifth wave. So once it's completed, again what it will be there, so W, X, A, B, and C. It could be a Y, again X, and again Z. So it will keep raining to the lower side. So this, as of now, this is the end of the Y wave. Here we can make it as a 1 or 2, or it could be a W, what I showed here. So A, B, C is a W, X, this whole thing becomes a A. So this is the B, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So if it comes to this zone, this is the end of the Y wave. Yeah, W, X, A, B, C is the Y. And if it is an X wave, for the Z wave, it can again, after the three-way structure, and A, B, C, so to the downside. So it will keep raining that. So and this is a trend line, so it is getting rejected. So you just, and I have already lot of times, if for the more confirmation, if it breaks and close in the daily above this wedge, so that is the most important to go for the long. Until that, making this as an stop loss, you can go through for the sell. That's it, simple. And what will be the next is, yeah, US 30. So US 30 is also same what we expected. There is a positional invalidation zone, and we remove the stop loss, and it did that five-way structure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as I expected. And here I said A, B, C simple correction if it is, and it has to shoot. Otherwise, if it is doing a complex correction, same it's happening. So A, B, C is a W, X, again one more A, B, C. After that, if it isn't, again there will be a Y, X. That means it will keep raining to the downside. So be careful. This is my support zone. It could be like here, it won't come to touch this trend line also. It can shoot from here itself. So this will be a major support zone. So maybe again 31 is a perfect zone to enter with a stop loss of 29 for the target of 33. So still it is bullish only. There is no change here. The C is an diagonal formation. Each wave got a ABC is a 1. ABC is a 1. So ABC is a 2. So now it's a AB. ABC is a third, or W. It's a extended X, A, B, and C. So let's see whether there's a third wave is ended here, and it could be an end of the fourth beyond the final A, B, C. It is also possible. So beware of in the 33 zone. So let's move on to the Bitcoin. See, I had one idea, and I have explained that also. So each that C wave got a diagonal pattern. So ABC is a 1, ABC is a 2. So here it's A, B, C, W, X, A, B, C is a third. So ABC is a fourth, and the fifth way is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and here it's the fifth wave got ended. So this could be the third wave exactly perfectly. It is did that same here as a 56,000. Now I'm expecting the fourth wave. So again it may reach, I think, in this zone. Yeah, it's around again 53 zone. After that you can make it this as a stop loss. That is the only one we have to do. This is the invalidation zone. It's very simple to mark this as an invalidation zone, but if you enter here 52, nearly 45 means nearly 7,000 points. Yeah, 7,000 points, but that risk is more high, but we won't do that. Sorry, I won't do that. I'm still entered for the perfect entry, and I will miss. I'm looking for the perfect entry, and I will miss, because taking the risk nearly 7,000 points for the stop loss in the Bitcoin. And what we will do is something, it's keep on changing, right? And sometimes we won't believe our wave count. That is the problem in Elliott waves, because it's keep on changing. The wave count, it's keep on changing, and doing the wave count, it's very easy, but trading, it's a tough. We need to bring that activity into your practice. Then only you can be a successful trader of Elliott wave traders. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a 2, this a 3 is ended, and after the fourth, again the fifth has to shoot for that end of the third, and again the fourth. So again it may again and again it may be a reach of 65,000. Is a possible, I think so. So for example, that from here A, B, yeah, if it is an 55,000, it's already 2618. So it could be again 3618, means it's 75,000. It's coming. Let's see, because I'm not having any idea in this. Right, we already missed. Sorry, I already missed a lot of possibilities looking and making. If it is a triangle, so I looked for this zone to enter. It's 7,400 zone, and it didn't came, and it's again it shooted. So, and again I no need to see this. It's we already the train has left that station. So if for the intraday, with the stop loss, if it is a fine entry, and if it is a very too promisable, just take a risk of 50,000 as a stop loss. You just go for this trade. If it is near to that 52 or 600, make it this as a stop loss. And what if I took, what it will do is it will hit my stop loss from here. Because we took I will put the stop loss of 50,000 here, 50,500. It will hit my stop loss, and it will go like this, right? It's happened further. See, it may, this also because this is a wave 1, this is a wave 3, and this is a wave 2, and this is a wave 4. So keep on watching this. If it comes here, just go for that, making a stop loss of 5,000 points. Let's say it's a small lot is enough, right? It's a 0.25 for your, so it's according to your capital. I'm not saying that. So let's see whether we are getting this zone or whether this zone. So let's move on to the crude. So crude, it's already, sorry, it's a US oil. It already did that same thing. I expected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what I did is I shorted at 50 here at 59.7. No, yeah, 57. I think so. I shorted. Yeah, I shorted at 59.7. Yes, here. Yeah, sorry. I shorted here 59.7 and make a stop loss of 62.2. What it did? Exactly the highest 62.25. It hit my stop loss and came down nearly $3, $3.5. So now here what is my view is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the same thing, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So if this is the end of the trend, what I say it's something, and I already said in the last week also, A, B, C means it has to come to the downside. It has to come to the downside. But everybody, we are making this as A, B and C. It could be 1, 2, 3. So after a small, so that is why my target is 52. It could make a only that 23.6, 55, and again it can shoot, or sometimes if it can to 38.2 and it can shoot. So if it is a 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, so that could be an sorry, it could be a leading diagonal from here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. After that it can come to the downside. So this is also possible. So here I'm looking for a, if it is making a 5-way structure, it's not yet did the 5-way structure as of now. It's came down, but I'm not sure it didn't break this low. If it didn't break the low, again the 3-way structure only, it is an impact. Still in that 3-way structure, it's a B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it could be an A, so B and C. So if it is a 3-way structures, so it has to be in 3-way structures, because if it is a B, C also, so this is a B and C. If it did the 3-way structure and again it can shoot, means we need to make it as a W. If it is a deeper correction, it's A, B, C. So we need to make it as A and again the B and C. So let's see how it moves. But my view is same. Once if it is, because in UCAD it's also, it's already UCAD is, I have only one more way to the downside. At that time it could be a correction and again it can come to the downside. So in that case it could be A, B, C, means this is the reversal zone, and here it is in a perfect trend line also. Here it's coming here. So this is within the channel. Here within the channel we are getting again rejected. So whether it is, if it is a 3-way structure and again we may see a 3-way structure, so that could be end of the trend. So I need to enter in that trade. So I need to look, because I need to recover my loss here. Shorted at here and place a stop loss at 62.2. Just bank that, right? So this is so how it here it is a, everybody is asking the 3, 4 and 5. So what it is here means, sometimes it looks like ABC is a 1, ABC is a 2, ABC as a 3, ABC as a 4, A, and this is the B and C. So it looked like, see, from here also, I thought 1 2 3 4 and 5 it has to get to the downside, but after that I recognized this could be a end, this could be a fourth wave. So I expected, sorry, what is there, yeah, from here I expected a triangle or it could be an irregular flat. So I definitely, what I thought is it's the end of the fourth and it is keep on shooting, so anyway it has to reverse, so it won't go above this level. That, so I placed that as a 62.2. But what it did, so here it's a B C as a 1. So this a fifth way is an ending diagonal. So ABC is a 2, A, B, C as a third. Here is a wedge formation. So the C wave is a wedge formation. So ABC is a 4. And here also, see, this is a A, and A, B, and C is a B, and it's bounced. So the fifth wave is also the ending diagonal. So this is in the formation of ending diagonal, and it's already broken the this trend line. And it now, if it is going to touch here at 61 zone, I will be in sell zone, making the stop loss of this. Just I need to, because I need to take a risk. So we already taken the 59.7, it's nearly $2.5 here. So from here it is a confirmed, right? If it is reached that 61, just again we need to take a trade and we need to take a risk, otherwise we will miss this complete move. So that we have to do. We are a trader, right? So if you get afraid of that, again you can't make, and again you can't place a trade also. So let's see. And the finally the gold and silver is there. So what I said here also, my view, trading here is a very difficult, right? I said, why? Because it's looking like whether this is the connecting wave or we are still in the connecting wave, we can't say. And it is not looking like a impulsive wave, it's still in that correction part only. This is the one impulsive, this is the one impulsive, and these are all not looking like an impulsive, it's still in the correction. So what I'm looking here is, this could be a wave. You forget about this. This could be a in the 5-way structure. Yeah, we mark it as a. We do it as a blue color, and if, because it's a WX and again there is a one impulsive wave, so we can make it as this as a B. So it is in the formation of irregular flat formation, right? So running flat. After that, it's a perfect, it's looking like a 5-way structure, right? So 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, or it's still one more wave to the downside uh, to hit the all the stop loss. And if it is a 5-way structure, so that could be end of that C wave. For this A, this is the B, and C, this A wavelength is very small compared to that, sorry, 1 second, yeah, it's only 61.8. so what it will be do means, just I'm thinking whether if it is, this is the end of the connecting wave for this continuation structure. So this is the connecting wave. So A, B, C contains a 5-way structure. So after the 3-way structure, it will do like this: 3 and 4 and 5. So whether within this zone or within this zone. So I'm just, because see here to here we need 1, so around 1640 I expected, and this is the way, or 786. So within this zone, if it is in wedge formation like this kind of 5 ways also, 1 second, So here that C wave, already one is dead, and second, if it is a wedge formation, it will decline within the 1650. Or if it is aggressive, it could be again three-way structure, and it could be a 61.8, 1618, and again one more fourth wave, and then again fifth wave. So it could reach this 1580, or sometimes if it is so aggressive, it could reach this level also. After that, everybody will keep on watching this. Oh, we missed this, because I'm just explaining what it will do. And one more view is it could be again, if this is the A B C, sometimes if it declined here, so that is also what I said in the 1745. So it could be an irregular flat formation, means in the 272 it can, that C wave here, whether this A, explaining here, this A, so this is the B, so 1 2 3 4 5. So in that 1687 or within this zone, if it get rejected, again what it will do is it can go again the one more three-way structure. Once again, I will show you here. Once again, I will take a screenshot and I will explain that. Yes. So this is the end of the W, right, for the connecting wave. And what we are expecting is, here is the connecting wave is it got over, and here it's a A wave, and we mark this as a B wave. So we are expecting C wave, and still one more wave to the downside is also possible. So if it got ended here sometimes, or it could be a little bit extended, this equals this, in that category, sorry, it will do like this, and then again it may do like this. So what it will be means, so this X won't be here, this X, and this is the A, so this is the B, and C will reach that target, what I said. Or if it is A, B, C means, I will just took a screenshot for your references, or it could be small, it could be like this, so that could be a 1, and this could be a 2, because this is a major support zone, sorry, resistance zone. After that it can decline heavily, so it may like this for the 1650 what I said. After that, this WX A B C, so we may see again bigger also, or it could continue, because WX Y, after that Y X, again A B and C to the downside. So it will keep continue until if it breaks this channel. That is my view for this week. Or if it breaks this, again we need to change our channel like this. So for example, I'm saying, so we have to do like that. So this is my view. So we will look for that next silver. So silver, same view, there is no change, it didn't break the low. So what I'm expecting here is, see, this is the A, this is the B, and it has to be a C wave. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it can do like this, and then again it may fall. So at that time we need to watch this. But one thing here is, once again we need to look, this is the A, so this is the B. C could be like this also, and again it may fall. So after this A, B, C, if it isn't still in an irregular flat formation like that, it again do like this, and again it may come. So it will keep doing like this, but we need to think a lot of things what we are seeing. So we need to be an alternative view formation. And here I got in one conclusion what I said that previous week also. What I'm thinking here, it could be a triangle, that is why it shooted, right? So it got a confirmation also here. How means, I will show you here. Just I will take the screenshot, and I have this is the one. ABC is a A, ABC is a B, and we are in the C wave. So here it's a W, here it's a A, this is the B, or we can make it this as a A, B, C, D, E, something. We can mark it this as a B as a triangle also. So that is also, from here also we can make it as a triangle, or from here also we can make it as a triangle. One second. Yeah, once again I will. Yeah, ABC is a A, ABC is a B, C. Yeah, it could be a here. This is a triangle. So ABC is a A, ABC is a B, and C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a W, and here it's a A, here it's a B. One second. Yeah, B, and wave 1 here, wave 2 here, and this is the wave 1, smaller wave 1, and we can remove this. This is the wave 2. So 3 is ended here, 4 is ended here, and this is the end of the third, and we are in that fourth way as a triangle, and fifth way is got end. So this is my view in the silver, and I'm expecting it has to decline to break this low. That is my bias. There is no alternative way for me as of now. So everybody can listen to that. Oh, again it can break this, means it may or may not, but as of now I don't have any idea, because as of now here it won't break this. It didn't break this low, only here it breaks the low, only here it breaks the low. So I don't want to be this as a triangle. As of now I'm not so so confident and come to a conclusion of this as a X, A, B, C, but I will look or that. But as of now this is a 5-way structure. So if it is A, so again B wave, so at least we may see this 20 zone again. So if anything a conclusion comes to me, I will explain that in my chart or the next video. So I hope I have already finished everything as of. Yeah, once again check DXY, Euro, USD, GBP, USD, UJ, AJ, CJ, NCAD, Euro, New Zealand, US30, Bitcoin, crude, silver, and I think it's a very huge session, I think so. It's nearly 1.5 hours. So don't bias on this, what I'm explaining, because I'm not only an analyst, I'm a trader also. 90% I be an analyst, and I'm still trading everything, each and every part, and I'm still having that Australian dollar in sell. You know very well, and keep on saying that from that Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar, I'm having a position still now from here in this zone. You know very well, 7.2, it's 7.8, still holding, but I didn't add anything. I didn't add anything. Just keep on watching. Here I added, and after that, what I explained, that it is making a triangle. So I exited my position here itself. It's making a here. It's making a three-way structure, and again, if it broke the high, so I come to a conclusion. There is no need to wait for the pullback. You just exit my position. So what I shorted here at nearly 7.8 on this 6th January, I exited my position here at 6.8. So nearly it's just a 100 pips is there, right? So let's see how it moves. And actually from that last week also I got a confirmation, because it's making a B, C is a three-way structure, and something I told, if it is not a triangle also, it's looking like a wedge formation. So A, B, and C as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, as I said. So, and it didn't break the low also, and there is no way for ABC, means again it has to come to the downside, but again it broke the low, sorry, break the high. So let's see how it moves, right? But this is a confirmation. If you want to be in a buy side, make it this as a confirmation of the stop loss, and we need to enter in this zone. So I think I may took an intraday, or it could be a swing trade like that, if it is a confirmation in the B wave. But if it is a B, C, means if it is going to shoot, just I will leave that, and just after that, if it is nearing to the 8 or 8.1, I will be in sell side. So I hope you enjoyed that. All my view count changed. So watch very carefully, and don't bias on my count. You just do as per your analysis, and keep on saying that only in each and every sessions like this kind of videos. It's only I'm sharing my knowledge. I'm still learner only. I'm not in that much of just 4 years, 2 years of full-time experience. Only the 2 years as a uh, watcher, and the 2 years in the previous, from the 2014 to 2020. This is now 2021, so 6 years only. So have a nice week, profitable week, and beware of this kind of movements. So enjoy your trading. It's a journey, it's a marathon, it's not a 100 meters race. It's keep need to enjoy our journey, that's it. Don't stick to your, and don't force what I did the previous. So have a nice profitable week, and we will see in the next week analysis. Thanks a lot.